What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Trucker 219. We have our first ever fan-submitted dash cam video that we're going to take a look at today. I will let you guys know that this is a review and not a reaction. What do I mean by that? I've taken a look at the video to make sure there's nothing that's going to go against YouTube's community guidelines before posting it, and I made sure I did a review of the video before I'm doing a reaction to it. So basically, I've already seen it before is what it means. And I am so excited that a fan decided to reach out to me and submit his dash cam video from his semi-truck. If you have a dash cam video of your own, whether you drive a car or a semi-truck, it doesn't matter to me. I'd love to take a look at it. Shoot me an email at thetrucker219@gmail.com. That will be down in the description below for your ease of access. All right, y'all, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this fan-submitted dash cam video. Let's go. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at the video in its entirety. From start to finish, the way the fan submitted it to me this way, there's no mistake in anything. And then I pointed out some stuff a little later on, so we're just going to take a look at it first and see what's going on here. So we're driving along. It looks like he's holding the middle lane quite a bit. And really, you only need to be in the middle lane or the left lane if you're passing. It's always keep right except to pass. But it does look like he passed up a car there, and he is working on passing up this truck here with the trailer. Okay, traffic's slowing down a little bit. It's getting a little congested. Okay, we got a car coming over here. All right, that's weird. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, immediately, first brake check right there. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that car. What a beautiful view, though. Look at how nice that is. Yeah, obviously my senses are heightened if I'm in this driver's perspective now. This car's acting a little funny. Just doing some weird stuff that isn't common to see out on the road. So if I'm in the driver's position right now, my senses are definitely heightened. Something weird is going on. Yep, brake check. Oh, got into the back of him. Yeah. And then they spend some time, it looks like, moving to the side of the road and all that stuff. So we're gonna take a deep dive now and look and see what's going on. Let me kind of speed this up here so we can see. All right, so we moved to the side of the road. And boom, that's where the video cuts. Yeah, really the only thing that I noticed that could have been done better is maybe the trucker stay out of the middle lane there. But it looked like he was passing. All right, let's take a look and break this down a little bit. All right, so we're, like I said, holding the middle lane. If you're not passing, you should probably be moving over. Not the end of the world, but... And realistically, I've actually found some training modules that suggest that it's better to be here in the middle. I disagree. Keep right except to pass for multiple reasons. Okay, and then this car comes out of nowhere here. And for some reason, what is going on with the turn signals? I don't know what's going on with the turn signals here. My guess is because the driver was holding the middle lane, this car was getting frustrated by it and wanted to signal to him to move over. But then it goes back in the other direction, so that doesn't make sense. And if truckers are communicating, we do communicate with the turn signals and turn signal lights, and then you have your first brake check right here. And automatically, boom, senses are heightened when you have that, and then we have a weird turn signal situation again. I can't tell inside of the vehicle if he's making any gestures or anything like that to signal frustration or anything. He's just being weird, and that's all it is. Good job on this trucker, though, for finding a different lane to be in. I noticed that throughout this entire video. He's moving around to avoid that situation, so very good job on that. Okay, and then he moves over here, and then the trucker moves over here to avoid him doing another brake check. The trucker's doing a fantastic job of trying to avoid this. I mean, the only other thing, here it comes, brake check. And I don't know if he has a way to disable his lights because his brakes weren't on there either towards the end. I mean, he got over and got on it a little hard. I don't know if he had a way to disable his lights for a short little period of time. Okay, and then they just the move over to the side of the road. But realistically, if you're having an issue with somebody out on the road, it's almost dangerous to stop. You know what I mean? So even if he stopped, like he couldn't just stop in the middle of the road, obviously, that's super dangerous. But you just got to be cautious of your surroundings and stuff. And pulling onto the side of the road after an accident is the way to go about it. And also, being that this driver was frustrated and brake checking, if you do get to the side of the road, I 100% wouldn't get out of the truck. I'd get authorities out there just to make sure that there's no issues with weapons or anything like that. Maintain your safety above all else. I would just stay in the vehicle until the police arrived and then handle it there. Either way, you have a commercial vehicle involved, so they really need to be out there for something like that. And you have a dash cam video. And this is why I always recommend for you guys to get a dash cam. What model, it's unimportant, but personally my favorite is Garmin products. I've been using them for years, whether it's GPS or dash cam. They do a great job with their products. And this dash cam will really do you well out here on the road. It is a more expensive option, but the features that you get with being able to use your cell phone in order to save the recordings and share the recordings, driver alerts, the ease of setup, all this stuff will be of great benefit to you. And I understand that the Garmin isn't the most affordable option out there. There are several other dash cams that will save you some money and you'll be able to get them for a decent price. And that's why I've included another option, which is the 70 MAI or 70 MI. From the reviews that I've seen on this, it looks to be of similar quality. I've watched a few videos of my own breaking down the quality of the video and the ease of use. So it seems to be comparable to a Garmin. And it's just another alternative for a little bit cheaper option. The 70 MAI has voice control as well as nighttime monitoring, where if something were to happen to your vehicle while you are not in it, it'll still automatically record. Both cameras have crash detection. Both cameras have external storage. This way you can share the videos that you get off of your phone, send those to the police officers or insurance or whatever you need. So both cameras are a good option for you. The Garmin Dashcam 47, the one that I've actually personally used, comes in at about $149. On the other hand, the 70 MAI dash cam comes in at about $40. So the price difference is definitely extreme, and I definitely understand the hesitation of getting something so expensive. Whichever option you end up going with, or if you go with a completely different option, I'd much rather you guys just be safe and be protected. In the event of a crash or a break-in or anything like that, you need to have the dash cam footage to be able to send to insurance and the police officers to make sure that you have a way of defending yourself if you are claimed to have been at fault at an accident or any other incident. You'll be able to defend yourself with video proof with the dash cam. Yeah, so they come to a stop on the side of the road, and that's about where the video ends. I'm guessing they exchanged information and stuff. Hopefully got the police out there to handle the situation, because I could definitely see where this car would play it off like they were at fault just because they brake checked and ended up getting to the semi got into the back of them. But overall, good job on this driver for trying to avoid the situation as much as possible. Unfortunately, things happen out here on the road that are not in your control. He did the best he could in the situation. He got brake checked. Yeah, the person that did the brake checking played some stupid games and won some stupid prizes. A brand new bumper and about a $500 insurance bill. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Again, if you have a dash cam video of your own, whether you're in a car or a semi, it's irrelevant. Shoot me an email over at thetrucker219@gmail.com. I've put that email down below for your convenience. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right? Bye.